coffee anymore.
Excuse me. Would a circle be a line of symmetry?
A circle can have a line of symmetry.
Their first task is to identify and explain mathematical shapes in a piece of artwork.
So can you find a trapezium? Does it say to add a line, or does it... It gave me an opportunity to see the children who were still maybe struggling to explain and reason, whilst they could identify that something was perpendicular or that it was an obtuse angle. They only really know and understand it if they can explain why.
But what you've got to do on the firstly, it's
Well, if all the sides are the same and all the angles are the same, then what shape must it be? It's an easy shape that you know.
It soon became evident that there were gaps in her pupils' understanding of basic maths terms.
OK, and what was it about it? What kind of a triangle do you think it was?
Isosceles.
You think it was an isosceles? Without a bottom on it there?
Just coming down like that.
OK, I'm going to put some words up that might help us in a minute. OK, 5 seconds. What I began to see was the age-related vocabulary that they needed to use. For example, words like trapezium, rhombus, and being able to justify and talk about those shapes was shaky. And I needed to find a way to actually make sure that I hadn't missed anything, that they weren't building their knowledge and understanding on a bit of a rocky foundation. Where did you find them? Point it out on here.
There.
What would you need to do to check that?
Get a ruler.
Definitely. And what would the angle need to measure if it was a right angle?
90 degrees.
90 degrees. So I'm not 100% about that one, but where... So I think it was important for me at that stage to take a little step back, because without having those prior skills, it would be very difficult later on as they move through their sort of learning journey to actually build on.